welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make a very healthy, nutritious and very nice and cool Sharbath called kulukki milky Sharbath. So let's see the ingredients before we begin this recipe. So the ingredients are Sugandhi Sharbath, half cup, 5 tablespoons of boost, you can take any protein powder, and 300 ml milk. So guys, first we have to add Sugandhi Sharbath in a bottle or any mixing jar. And now we have to add some boost. So guys, now we have to add the milk. And now we have to add some ice cubes. Now we should mix it. This is very important. So guys, now we have to shake it for about 30 seconds. You can decorate it like this. You can also add ice cubes on it. So now it's ready to serve. So let's taste it. It's very yummy. You please try it out at your home, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification. So let's meet you in the next video. Till that time, bye.